Good morning, students. Today, the same chapter is there, and the topic is different. Today, I'll explain you about the types of retailers. It is an important part of this chapter, and we must know the meaning of different terms which comes under the retail trade. So before starting the topic, I'm trying to give you the meaning of internal trade. After that, the meaning of retail trade. Internal trade is a type of trade which take place within the geographical location of a country, and it helps in creating the economic development because it provides the facility to the customer to purchase the domestic product produced by the domestic companies. Generally, the retail trade is a famous trade, and before it, I'm going to give you the meaning of wholesale trade. Wholesale trade is a type of trade in which the wholesaler purchases the product in bulk quantity from the producer and sell it to the retailer in a small quantity. He creates the link between manufacturer and retailer, and also the retailer is an important link in the distribution network who helps in creating the link between wholesaler and customer, because retailer purchase product in a small quantity from wholesaler and sell it to the customer in a small quantity. That is why retailer is an important person in the distribution network who try to satisfy the need of the ultimate customer, because if the customer is not satisfied, then he can shift from one company's product to another company. That is why retail trade is an important trade which helps the businessman to create the availability of product in the market. Now, the main topic is there, types of retailers, in which today I'll explain you only one type, that is called itinerants. So itinerants are the people those move from one place to another in search of customer and to sell out their product. Generally, in India, itinerants plays an important role because they create the availability of less qualitative product in the economy, and to satisfy the need of those people those are not able to purchase the product at higher prices in the market, so that the itinerants create the availability of that type of product which is needed by the people, less income people. Some of the features of itinerants are move from one place to another. As I told you, itinerants are the people who always move from one place to another in search of customers. They do not remain at a single place, they always move from one place to another in search of customer. Like one day they move in a particular colony or particular place, then another day they will not go the same place. They change the place as per the convenience, as per the demand of the customer. The second one is sell low price product. So generally itinerants deals with the product, less price products, and also they provide the less qualitative or duplicate products to the customer. They always target that particular place in which the people prefer to purchase less price products. That is why we cannot see itinerants in the posh areas in which the people want highly qualitative products, so that the prices of the product sold by itinerants will be less. The third one is sell non-branded products. As I told you, they always sell the duplicates product because their product do not carry higher charges, and also they do not belongs to any of brand. They just satisfy the need of the people, those needed less price product from the market. And the last one is do not sell at fixed price, as itinerants never sell the product at fixed prices, because the people always try to bargain with the itinerants related to the prices of the product. That is why the prices of the product offered by the itinerants to the customer will not be same all the time. Prices will be fluctuated. So these are the features of itinerants. Now I'm going to explain about the types of itinerants. The first one is hawker and peddlers. They are famous itinerants who always move from one colony to another colony to sell out their product to the customer. Generally, they are the vegetable seller, fruit sellers, and other articles are also sold by the hawkers and peddlers in the different localities of the locality of the city. Generally nowadays plastic articles are also available to the hawker and peddler, and many other things the hawker and peddlers are selling in the locality. The next one is market traders. The market traders move from one city to another city as per the days. Like in Rudrapur, Monday market is there, in Bilaspur Saturday market is there, in Rampur Wednesday market is there. So the market trader always move from one city to another to attract large number of customers towards the product and to get maximum sale from that particular place in which he is going to sell out his product. Market trader. The third one is market trader. Street traders are those traders, they display their product at the corners of the railway station, bus stops for a temporary period of time, because at that particular place maximum number of customers can easily attracted towards the product. So that the street traders plays an important role in selling the less quality product to the customer, and also it helps in satisfying the need of the people, those demanded less price product from the itinerants. And the last one is cheap jacks. Generally they prepare their tent on the roadsides and they display the product to the customer and try to attract large number of customers towards the product. They prepare the tents and artificial arrangement of their product, and after a certain period of time they also move from that particular place to another place. That is why we can say itinerants plays an important role for the development of the economy. They try to satisfy the need of the people, those demanded less price product in the market, and also they want to satisfy their need by getting the product. Okay students, these all about the types of retailers and the features of itinerants. If you have any problem related to any of topic, you may ask your queries and try to solve the question which I have given you in the PDF, or try to watch the video again and again to know about the topic properly. So I'm telling you people, just concentrate over it to know it properly. Okay, if you have any problem you may ask. So it's enough for today. Have a nice day.